Hey folks, this is Bill with Dine Drink Vegas, and this weekend I get to do something I've wanted to do for a long time and stay here at the Plaza. Specifically, I'm going to take you on a tour real quick through room 1854 in the South Tower, which is a mini suite. Let's go on in. So, I checked in a little bit earlier, but I haven't really fully gotten unpacked or anything, and the primary impression I get is that this is mostly, let me get that door unlocked. I do love the fact that it's got that bolt if you want to leave it open. This is mostly just a slightly larger room, but it's got a couple of really cool features. So coming in, plenty of pillows on the bed, although that's super weird. They've got holes in the sheets. I'm going to assume that's from healthy causes. The bed is super soft, so I like that part. Plenty of places to store your things, and one of the things I always check is power plugs, and there's plenty of places to plug in your devices. You've got a great little workspace over here, and in addition, a good seating area there. Now, my single favorite feature of this room, though, is the fact that they've got a bar. That bottle of Buffalo Trace obviously doesn't come with the room, but that's a pro tip for Vegas. Just go to the ABC store because you can purchase a bottle of whatever it is you want significantly cheaper than what you pay if you went down to the casino. And that's a great place for people to gather. So you can have a lot of people over in this room, but still, you can have some folks over to watch the game. You could sit, you can have drinks, such as that. We have two of these cooling units, and these are the old school cooling units, but that's actually still where it's coming out of. The temperature set independently on the two, and when I got in here, it was only cooling down to 80, which didn't seem like enough. Now, I don't have a view of the Fremont Street Experience, and what that means is it's going to be quieter. It's off in the distance, though. I've got a gorgeous view of the Strip, and I think that's a great aspect of this room. As I come here into the bar area, it's kind of an awkward setup. Not a lot you can do with this space, but there is a refrigerator. There were 4 bottles of water when I got here. There are now 3, and those are free and included with the room. Also, it's not that this is the best coffee machine in the world, but it's something, and when you wake up first thing in the morning, it'll be something that'll absolutely help you out. There is the other cooling unit, or I guess heating unit, depending on time of year. So, as you come in here, somebody can get ready because this room isn't the same space as the toilet, although the toilet is in the same room as the tub shower combo, where they have the standard gels and bath washes and such there, as opposed to the individual bar items. So as we come back out here, I've never stayed here before. I've eaten here before, though, and this is one of my favorite places to gamble. And honestly, that's the reason that we're staying here on this trip. One last thing, let's look at the hotel policies. So you've got a gym. I haven't been to it. Don't intend to get married this weekend. Housekeeping is just a little bit tricky here. You have to ask for it in advance, and they didn't say that when I went down. I thought to go ask after I read that on the sheet. So if you want daily housekeeping, do know that you've got to ask for it, and you've got to ask for it in advance. So again, folks, this is Bill with Dine Drink Vegas. I'm here inside the Plaza, and I'm really looking forward to my room in this mini suite. I hope you'll follow along for more. Please like and subscribe. You can ask us questions in the comment section below, and that also helps YouTube show our videos to more people. Also, know that we'll be posting a lot more content from this trip over the next few weeks. Thanks so much, and happy travels.